the scenes of what God on behind Naynay's kitchen.
Now, but that picture's actually.
There's bread, bruh. We will do our voiceover. Stop smelling the rolls. The roll smells so good. Smell the roll. Yeah, have a roll. Have a roll there. Have a roll. There's the roll. the bottom one always smells the best. Just smell it. They do something. They do something, right? Oh. Guys, can we make finish? What time is it now? Be happy. Don't worry.
Little song I wrote. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy now.
Don't you want garlic in this? I'm filling up with garlic butter in it. Aye, no.
Be happy.
Don't worry, be happy. I found myself dreaming, silver and gold, like a scene from the movie. That every broken heart knows. We walk in the moonlight, and you pull me. Why? This is the second, then you disappeared, and then I was all
I'm so many
alone.
songs. So, okay.
We need the rhythm. We need the We don't know the songs by word, bro. We need the lyrics. Open it to me. It's all you gotta do, babe. Give me all your heart. Swap it up with you right now. Swap it up with you. Oh, right now. You don't need baby. Oh, I know. Never gonna let you close to me. Yo, the way Daddy was like, I've been in this kitchen for how long and I didn't even know we owned all of house to me, even when you mean the most to me. And every time you hurt me, the least that I cry. And every time you need me, the quicker these tears dry. And every time Yo, lies, my bro, lies. What lies you busy telling? You're gonna end up saying cut. Okay, cut. Whoa. Okay, Sherminay, you're gonna do like this and this and this. Okay, can we start? I'm hungry. This chicken is looking like.